Good morning to everyone. My name is Sudhanshu Ranjan, studying in 4th year Computer Science Engineering. Today I will be presenting a paper on the topic of Edge of Things Computing Framework for Cost-Effective Provisioning of Healthcare. So let's get started. So first let's see the main proposed idea of this paper. Edge of Things based healthcare system service are forthcoming patient care amenities related to autonomic and healthcare, wherein UT broker usually work as a middleman between the healthcare service consumer and computing service provider. It is the upcoming patient amenities in which there will be a middleman or broker which will be acting a middleman between the healthcare service consumer and the service providers. The computing service providers are the edge computing service providers and cloud computing service provider. In this system, one edge of the system will be the consumer who are getting like patient who are getting treatment, that will be the one edge, and other edge will be the computing service providers which are providing the services. Sensor observation from the patient body area network and patient medical and genetic historical data are very sensitive and have a high degree of interindependency. In this, sensor will be used to collect the data from the body, and the historical and past data of the medical patient will be used for the processing, and the information gained from is very sensitive and important and should be maintained properly. The paper proposes a portfolio optimization solution for the selection of virtual machine of edge or cloud computing service provider. In this, a selection of good virtual machine will be there, which will be using optimization of resources so that proper resources can be given to the proper medical patients. So let's see what is edge computing first. Edge computing is distributed computing framework that brings enterprise applications closer to the data source such as IoT devices or local edge servers. In edge computing, the IoT device which are taking data from the environment or outside conditions, that will be taken closer to the source of data from where the data is collected, and the processing will be done there only. That is edge computing. And for edge of things, we have the equipments or IoT device which are going to collect the data that are edge of things in this situation. Introduction. Advancement in cloud computing, broadband communication, body area network, and wearable medical devices are empowering mobile and healthcare services. Today, everything is got advancement. We have body area network like various IoT devices which are used in the body to measure the different parameters, that all are getting advancement and all can be controlled with wireless communication, improving the welfare of both patient and healthcare professional. With this, the patient are also getting benefits and the medical team or the healthcare professional are also getting advantages. Finding way to reduce healthcare cost is a major concern of government, health insurance company, hospitals, healthcare professional, healthcare researchers, and patient. It is important to minimize the cost of health and medicine so that all the patient and doctors and medical people will also get benefits. Edge of Thing based telehealth care is a cost effective solution for reducing per capita healthcare cost by utilizing EOT brokers to ensure computation service from cloud service provider to healthcare service provider. In this paper, a broker will be there between the service provider and service consumer. His work is to optimize the cost of the service provided by the service provider. Patient data are collected through wireless body area network, and sensor observation are analyzed with respect to medical history, diagnosis result, and genetic historical in the cloud. The data of patients are collected from the sensors which are there on the body of patient and are analyzed with the past historical data of his patient and can be analyzed in the cloud. Charges for per second CPU utilization. Whatever is the charge for the using that medical devices is based on CPU utilization. The charges of various cloud service provider which provide on demand and Tient computing as a service varies with respect to request VM instance, virtual machine instance, contact periods, location, time, and service availability. All the virtual machines which are using these resources, the cost of them depends upon the location, time, or the period of time they are using, or how much service they are using. The cost will be according to that. So now let's see edge of computing framework, that how this framework is working and how it is made. Framework entities has three main principles, that is healthcare service consumer, UT service broker, and UT service provider. As you can see, there are three main parts, that is health service consumer, that is you can see on the left of the diagram, is UT service broker, that is shown in the middle, and UT service provider, the people who, the company organization that are providing services, you can see on the right side of the diagram. The healthcare service consumer are the end user of the patient care system, including patient relatives, where healthcare service enables our doctors, nurse, hospital, clinic, and other centers. And these healthcare service consumer are those people like patient and the doctor, nurse, people who are engaging in the one edge of the thing. The UT service provider are the infrastructure platform or a software application provider which provides storage space, computation process, network resource, and scalable software application on demand via the internet, and the charges with different roles of their service in proposed UT computation framework. In this UT service provided, it is an infrastructure or a software platform where the services are provided from one end to the other, and the cost will depend upon the utilization of it. The UT service broker are the intermediary entity between the healthcare service consumer and UT computational service provider. The proposed resource optimization scheme is applied in the scheduler model of E3 broker. The broker tries to select appropriate virtual machine VM UT service providers. The work of here EOT broker is to select the proper virtual machine and proper utilization for the consumer, which will be the best for the consumer. During the selection process, the broker considers the dynamic prices offered by the service provider. While selecting the virtual machine, the broker will see that which is best effective for the consumer from different given virtual machines. In EOT framework, we assume that the information and network security and data privacy are properly maintained by the entities of framework through a standard cryptographic algorithm, communication protocol, and access control policy. Different algorithms are used for the protection of the data so that data doesn't get leaked. Moreover, security integrity of healthcare data can be assured through a decentralized blockchain technology. The IoT service consumer and IoT broker can form a blockchain network to preserve the healthcare data integrity and security. Additionally, providers and IoT broker can also form a blockchain network for healthcare data security. Further, public key infrastructure based security model can also be ensuring healthcare data security and preserving consumer privacy and framework in the IoT. Now after this, let's see the performance study of portfolio optimization built based on healthcare data provisioning. The performance of the proposed healthcare data provisioning mechanism in an IoT environment is analyzed through simulation study. To analyze the performance of the proposed portfolio optimization based on solution approach, we can compare with the naive Bayes approach, that is the certainly equivalent approach. The certainty equivalent of the proposed sample average approximation solution can be derived using the optimization solution. The solution is given below as you can see. Similarly, the certain equivalency of the validity checking problem of the sample average approximation solution can be derived using optimization of next solution given in the down. To study the performance of proposed healthcare data provisioning method, the CVX tool is used. In our performance study, we can consider 7 virtual instances as shown in the diagram. You can see the different 7 VM instances with different CPU utilization, different processing speed, and different consumptions. The table shows the optimal cost of provisioning healthcare data. as determined by the proposed portfolio optimization method, and naive certainly equivalent method. The different formulation of optimization problem selects different edge computing as a service and cloud computing as a service provider, namely EP and CP respectively. The proposed method also determines the processed data volume needed to provide cost-effective solution for healthcare data processing in EOT framework as shown in the figure above. The comparative study between proposed SA and SAV is performed considering the availability distribution of edge computing as a service provider. So now let's see the conclusion of this paper. The Edge of Think framework based healthcare service provisioning allow. So now let's see the conclusion. The Edge of Think framework-based healthcare service provisioning enables personalized and smart healthcare system by leveraging healthcare data processing at the edge of network. The Edge of Think is making it a smart healthcare system where the data is stored properly and the communication is done in the network. The proposed portfolio optimization based approach ensures cost-effective virtual machine selection. In this, the selection of virtual machine enables them to reduce their cost and best effectively use it. The introduced UT broker is the key planner and optimizer is the proposed framework. In this, the main idea is EOT broker, which will select the best virtual machine from the different provider so that all the consumer will get benefits. Simplicity of used portfolio optimization and the distributed nature makes the proposal effective for virtual machine provisioning in the smart healthcare system. However, the security and privacy of healthcare data are assumed to be assured through blockchain or public key infrastructure based security module in the both edge and cloud computing framework. The optimization method of medical data storage cost, data security cost, and medical data transmission cost will be studied in the further extension of the research. This was the end of our paper. I would like to thank everyone for listening.